Today, let's have a look at this beautiful 1963 BSA DBD34 Gold Star. Well, welcome to Bator International and Bator Classic Auctions. As you can see, this is a beautifully restored Gold Star with a 500cc single-cylinder engine. This one's set up with the clip-on handlebars. Very nice Smith gauges, shows 4,987 miles on the odometer. Obviously the bike has been restored. Not sure where PCK is from, but it's PCK 522. It's running the Dunlop wheel rims, Avon tires. Gas tank has been nicely refurbished. Has a little bit of discoloration from gas up here, but not bad. Also Dunlops on the rear. The finish is very nice. I wouldn't call this a trailer clean. I would call it a very nice rider. And it is running a K&N air cleaner on it with a concentric Amal. And gearbox says RRT2. So I would probably classify this as a very nice, very original, nicely restored rider. And this is probably one of the highlights of the BSA entire manufacturing line. The DBD34 is highly collectible, a great runner, and a very collectible piece. Does have a clear California title. And looks like she's ready to go. This motorcycle is going to be going over the auction block this coming October through our website, BatorClassicAuctions.com, of course. So make sure you go by, check out the photos, the videos. Make sure you sign up for the auction. Got a lot of parts, a lot of BSA parts going through this this time. All the parts, memorabilia, and some of the motorcycles, all no reserve. Also make sure you check out all the rest of our videos up on YouTube. Please subscribe to our channel, and please leave some comments. Love to hear from you. Thanks again for watching.